What are the 3 top sites for doing freelance work? Number 1, Airtasker. Number 2, Upwork. And number 3, TopTool. These are good freelance sites. There are other sites like 99 Designs and Fiverr, but a lot of designers are against those because what happens, it devalues the work, and people who do design for cheap, it actually can deteriorate the industry, and people don't see the value in design. And what happens is you end up getting all this crappy work out there, and also copyright issues because people copy and stuff like that. So you want to try and avoid those sites. But the good thing about these sites, especially Airtasker, because I used to use it, is there's no contest. What happens is you just submit your comment on the project, and the person goes through each portfolio and they pick the designer they want, and they're just going to work with you. They're not going to get a selection of different designs to pick from. They're just going to be working with you, and once you complete the work, they will send through the money and you'll get paid. So it's pretty simple, pretty easy. But these freelance sites are good because you can connect with them and you can work one-on-one, and not only that, but you can have a profile that's going to show your professionalism, and you're also going to get some decent paying clients, not just the cheap ones who don't really care and that are a bit dodgy. So these are a few sites that you can use to get some client work, improve your portfolio, but they've really been beneficial and should definitely check them out. Subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Let me know what you want to see, and I'm going to be uploading more videos for you in the future.